Create this type of product ad with a model by using just two free tools. First, go to chatgpt.com. Click here and upload your product picture. Paste a prompt here to generate an image with a model. Then click here to generate the image. Wait a moment to generate the image with a model. If you need the prompts in text format, then let me know in the comments section. Here is the image generated by ChatGPT. Now click here to download the image. Now go to the second tool, Kling AI. Click to video. Upload your AI-generated image here. Paste the prompt here. Then click on Generate. You have to wait a few moments to generate the video. After the generation has been completed, click here to download the video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.